Go. I'll see you later, Matt.
See you later.
Thank you so much. Relax your butt. Push, 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 push. Better. Keep her attention. She's looking at Matt. Pay attention to her. She's looking at Matt. Touch rein, touch rein, touch rein, touch rein, touch rein, touch rein. There you go. Left rein. Good. Relax your butt. Sit back over your hips. All right, now sit back on the couch and ask her to whoa. Sit way back, tuck your hips, tighten your stomach muscles, take your leg away from her, ask her to whoa. You didn't hear me at all, did you? You didn't hear me at all, did you? I said sit way back on the couch, take your leg away from her, tighten your stomach, and ask her to whoa. All right, you're pushing with your lower leg. She's going to go forward if you push with your lower leg. Try again. Walk her around, get her thinking again. This time, take your heels away from her, push them down, tuck your knees in, push your feet away from her body, sit back. Now ask, see? Much better. Try one more time. Walk her forward. Relax your butt. Squeeze with your legs. Give a nice gentle squeeze. Touch whip. Good. You can shorten up your rein a little bit, and that'll make it a little easier. There you go. You can always loosen it back up if you need to. Relax your butt. Light touches on the reins. Use your leg more than your hands. Now ask for that whoa. Relax. Sit back on the couch. Take your legs away from her body. Tell her the word and touch your reins. Praise. Very good.